Good evening children. Welcomes you all. So in our today's video, we are going to learn how to write uppercase or capital letter R. So students, give attention and stay with me and follow how to write. So let's start. Students, to write capital letter R, we will start from the first red line. Then we draw a standing line till the second blue line. Then again we go to first red line, okay, and make a small right curve till the first blue line. Then again we go to the middle and draw a small slanting line till the second blue line. Okay, let's try another one. To write capital letter R, we will start from the top red line. Then we draw a small standing line till the second blue line. Then we go to the top and draw a small curve till the first red line. Then we go to the middle again and draw a small slanting line till the second blue line. Okay, this is our capital letter R. So students, today we have learned how to write capital letter or uppercase R. On our next video, we will learn another alphabet. That's all for today. Thank you and stay safe.